Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Ranchillo Pro X espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because the tank got contaminated with milk, and milk was pumped into the steam boiler as well as the brew boiler. We had to do a lot of work on this machine in order to not only rinse the boilers but also clean a lot of the components of the machine itself. So let me just go through some of the parts and some of the hoses that we replaced. Starting by this hose. This hose is the one that is connected to the two water pumps that are on this machine. One for the steam boiler, steam water pump, and one for the brew boiler water pump. They all share the same hose, as you can see right here, and unfortunately we found milk all over the entire line, especially around here. It was really bad when I removed these things and I cleaned everything. Like I said, I replaced all of these completely. That's why we have it here. We also had to replace this other hose. This is from the flow meter. Even though it doesn't touch any, it doesn't get into contact with anything, it's just literally for the flow meter to just go in there and activate the sensor, so the machine knows it's water. It doesn't really go anywhere. It doesn't go to the boilers. It doesn't go to any other place. It just goes back to the tank. We also replaced that one as well, and we also replaced the discharge hose, the one that is for the brew boiler, and we also made sure there were no leaks inside the boiler or anything like that. We had to literally drain both boilers multiple times, as well as flush both boilers multiple times as well. So we had to run a lot of water separate from the machine itself to make sure we rinse both boilers. We also rinse the water pumps completely separate from the machine to make sure that any kind of milk or any residue inside of them will be completely gone. We use milk cleaner, we use descaler, we use a bunch of other stuff, and we rinse all of those water pumps that were really bad. We also, that's what we did. We also, after that, after flushing the boilers, cleaning up the water pump separately, we put the machine back together, we pressurized it, we descaled everything inside of it to try to remove as much as possible from any remaining milk that might be in the system. We rinse all the pipes, everything, and then we've been using the hot water and the brew water intermittently, as well as trying to smell it and make sure that we don't smell any milk or anything that might be inside the boilers. And right now the boilers are in really good shape. They're really clean. We've been using this machine for quite some time already. There you go. As you can see, water is crystal clear. Smells great as well, and also tastes just like hot water as well. Same for the hot water spout. As you can see, crystal clear, excellent flow, clear water as well, smelling great, also tasting well, and not tasting like any old milk or anything like that. So yeah, we made sure that the water inside the machine was clean, that all the pipes were clean, there was no more any milk residue, and the machine was working the way it's supposed to. As you can see, pressure definitely up to temperature. Great steam coming out from the one. You saw the hot water as well as the flow coming out from the brew group. We cleaned we replaced the shower screen, as we did saw some scale build up around this area, some around here, some around the thing itself. We ended up replacing the gasket and cleaning everything as well in here. So there you have it, Ranchillo Pro X working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.